Hi everybody, Jeff Yastine for Total Wealth Insider. You know, I get a lot of messages from people asking about the possibility and worrying about the idea of a stock market crash, especially after we saw the S&P 500 fall so quickly. You know, it fell about 10% back in January, February, and of course it's rebounded somewhat since then. My message is to both BanyanHill.com readers and subscribers for Total Wealth Insider. What I've been telling them is, I don't think there's too much to worry about for the time being. The reason for that is that in April, we have what we call the start of first quarter earnings season. That's when companies begin to report their profits for the first quarter. And I believe those profits are going to be pretty good. The reason being is that we have the impact of corporate tax reform, as well as the overall growth of the U.S. economy. Goldman Sachs and other investment banks have said that they believe that S&P 500 companies, that their profit growth will be at least 15% for each of the next 3 quarters. So overall, the idea here is that I think the fear of missing out on additional gains in the stock market is going to outweigh the fears of another market crash. But that won't always be the case. So seasonally, between November and April and May is typically the strongest time of the year, the most seasonally strong time of the year, while summer and fall is typically the weakest. And it's for a good reason. Summer and fall is when large investors typically reassess and think about what the economy might be like in the following year. And so we're certainly going to have that happen this year. And we also have the impact of the congressional elections coming up in November. That's going to throw an additional question mark into what the economy might be like going forward from 2019 and onward. So if you're worried about the overall stock market, that's the time where you may want to watch your portfolio at its closest, because that's when the stock market may be at its most vulnerable. But overall, until then, I think we're looking to higher gains in the overall stock market. Remember to watch us, like us, and follow us at BanyanHill.com on Facebook and on our YouTube channel. I'm Jeff Yastine for Total Wealth Insider.